The 12 pure vowels used in English from up to a. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme O. The name of this phoneme is O. It is a short phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Example, at the beginning of the syllable O, B, J, E, C, T, O, I, O, H, E, G, it, jict, object, O, D, D, O, id, odd, O, F, F, O, if, of, O, N, O, in, on. At the middle of the syllable, B, O, M, B, if, O, bo, im, boom. C L T it or co it caught D L T it or do it dot F O N D if o for in it font G L T it or go it got H L T ich or ho it hot L L T ill or low it lot MORAL im o mo ir more a il l moral NLT in or no it not POT if o t pot. Generally the letter O represents this phoneme.